What is up guys, Dana this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add dynamic drop-downs to your Jotform. So first head over to Google or in your browser and then in the search bar type in Jotform, and after that you will see this first official website of Jotform. Click on this website, and after clicking on that website you just need to log in or sign up with your Jotform account. And after that, when you have been redirected to the home page, you just need to select your form and then click on edit form. After clicking on edit form, you will be redirected to the editor. From here on the left side you need to click on add element, and from here you need to hover to the widget section. From here you need to click on the search bar, and then you just need to type dynamic drop downs, and this is how it will appear. As you can see, the dynamic drop downs, simply drag and drop it here in your forms, and after that you have the freedom to add your custom CSS code to this drop down list. And if you want to add more options, you can click on the separator and then you can add more options. And when you are done, simply click on update, and this means that you have saved the drop down. And this is how you can add a dynamic drop down to your chart forms. And that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.